What is going on YouTube? Welcome back to a brand new video. We're back at it with a brand new unboxing, and I'm actually pretty excited to do this unboxing. First of all, what's up with my hair? Why is it like lean? I need a haircut. We have a brand new pickup, but a sneaker that I'm actually excited to see in person. I haven't seen these in hand yet, and they recently just came out, so yeah, I'm just pumped. We have it right here. They finally came in, and I'm just ready to look at these bad boys. I've been waiting. I was actually waiting to see if resale on this would go down, but prices, they're not moving. They're just staying. There's been a lot of pictures floating around in the internet of this specific shoe right here. If you guys know, then you know. And here we have the box. Yes, sir. Here we have it. And we're just gonna get straight into it. Open up the box, and here we have shoebox. Boom, you guys see it. Nike SB. What could it be? Like I said, it recently came out. If you guys know, you know. But yeah, here we have the Nike SB box. This colorful Nike SB box. Boom. Colors all around. Bam. Got this in my size. Where's the size? Nike SB Dunk Low Premium Quick Strike size 9. Retail on this was $150. These actually released, I believe it was like last week or something, and they were pretty limited. When you open up the box, you have this kind of bandana tissue paper, and come on guys, if you guys don't know already what these are, oh my god. And here we have it. Boom, we have the Travis Scott SB Dunk Low. Man, these are beautiful in hand. These are crazy. And if you guys didn't know, these actually only released in skate shops. There was only one skate shop around me that were gonna release these. It was through raffle. You had to go get ticket. One person can get one ticket, and then every $50 you spend, you get another ticket. I only went in there, got that free ticket, and yeah, my name didn't get picked. Took an L. Apparently these are not releasing on the Nike Sneakers app, even though these released Saturday, and then Sunday the official images got put on the Nike Sneakers app or something, but nothing dropped. Just the pictures went up, the official images, and nothing has dropped. People are saying they're not going to drop on the Nike Sneakers app. I mean, it's about to be like a week and they're not dropping anything, so I guess that rumor was right. They're not dropping on Nike Sneakers app. These are like skate shop exclusives for right now. I don't know, maybe they'll release it later on, maybe not. I have no clue. They did drop on Travis Scott website, and the ones that dropped on Travis Scott's website was the limited box. That limited Travis Scott box is like going for like 2 bands. And yeah, I mean, like the only difference between this version and the version on his website is the box. There's a special box, that's it. But yeah, your boy had to pay resale for these, and I just needed them, bro. I needed these in the collection, in the Travis Scott collection. Obviously, I have the 4s, I have the 1 lows, I have the 1 highs, I have the Air Forces, and now I have these bad boys. And just when I first saw pictures of these, I needed them. But we're gonna go over the shoe real quick. Don't want to make this video too long. Obviously, you kind of have this bandana print on this shoe, which is I personally like the bandana look. Right there on the toe. Going around the shoe, and then on your side panels you kind of have this like flannel type shirt type, I don't know, this flannel type pattern on the side of the shoe. Bang bang. Your toe area is kind of like this nice soft kind of cargo tan color, and it's nice and soft and buttery. You have that right there, and obviously it comes with this rope type laces. I'm not a fan of this type of laces on here. I'm gonna switch them out with maybe with the black pair, but these rope laces, I'm not really digging them. It's like you gotta climb the rope to fucking ring the bell on top of the ceiling or something. Yeah, these, I'm not a fan of these. On this side you actually have this nice black suede swoosh, and then on the inside you have this nice pink suede swoosh. On the tongue you have Cactus Jack right there, and then the tongue also has that nice cargo tannish suede as well. Your midsole is obviously white with kind of looks dark gray stitching going around the shoe. Then your bottom, it's kind of like that cargo tannish color, and it does come with extra laces. You get black laces and pink laces, just regular laces. They're not this like rope type material. And then your insoles actually have that bandana print on them, on both insoles, and it says Cactus Jack, and then you have the Nike SB right there. Pretty dope touch. This shoe is all about the details. And then on the back it says Nike in pink back here, and there's a little detail, but I have no clue what this says right here. You have kind of like this writing going on right here. It's kind of like embossed inside there. And then one little detail that you can't really see unless you like have the shoe in hand is it actually says Cactus Jack back here, which I didn't even know by pictures. You can't even see it, that's the thing. It says Cactus Jack in here. I mean, I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's like Cactus Jack all around here. You gotta have the shoe in hand to really see it, but it does says Cactus Jack on this part, which is really dope. And here's that writing again, which I have no clue what this means. Where is it? Right here. On this part right here, you can see like that K and then the A, and then it just continues. But yeah, it's a dope little touch. And one thing, if you guys didn't know already, this bandana print on the shoe, you can actually rip it off. Well, it comes off. You know, if you wear these shoes, this bandana part will start to rip off, and underneath it is actually a cement print. I'll probably find a picture and I'll put it up around here. But yeah, underneath this bandana print is that like kind of like this cement print, which is actually dope. But me personally, I'm actually a fan of this bandana print more. But yeah, if it happens, it happens. It's all good. But yeah, man, that's pretty much it. My brand new pickup. It was a must. I needed these shoes. I just needed them in the collection. I'm a Travis Scott fan. Obviously have some of his past shoes in the collection, and I just needed to add. I needed to add these, and they are very dope in person and very good quality. But yeah, guys, let me know down in the comments below. Did you guys manage to pick these up for retail, or are you guys looking to pay a resale on these? Like I said, the only release is sneaker shop on skate shops, and on his website. Don't know if these are going to be releasing again, but yeah, I'm happy to have these in the collection. And bro, these are beautiful. I'm gonna end it here. This video is probably too long already. And if you guys enjoyed, make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're new for more videos like this in the future, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.